Hello. Using nonlinear FEA for rubber products can save you time, money, and most importantly, can save you hassle. So I'll take a look here at some of the ways in which FEA can be used and when it might be best for you to look at it as an option. So there are 4 main ways where FEA for rubber products would be most helpful. Firstly, in validating a design. Secondly, in helping with design improvements. Thirdly, as part of a full design support package. And fourthly, in looking at failure analysis. So, taking design validation initially. You might use it purely as part of a project sign-off methodology, or perhaps to release funding that you're waiting on. You might also use it in a situation where you have an existing product, you're happy with its performance, but you're producing an alternative or you want to tweak something about that product. So for example, its working environment might change, or the material in which you're manufacturing it from might be altered. In which case you could use FEA just to check the impact of that change and ensure that any future performance will live up to your expectation. So the second scenario, in helping you in designing a new product. So what you would do is, once you've designed your product, you would send it out for finite element analysis, and the results that you get back will show up any stress strain impact on that product. In other words, any areas where you might see failures. If it was a seal, it might be leakages, and that could affect both the performance and the lifespan of the product. So the results that you receive will help you to adjust your design accordingly and to ensure that the final product will perform as you need it to. And if you want to, you can go around that process again once you've made those design changes, and we could do another FEA project to ensure that you're happy with the changes that you've made and the product performs as needed. So thirdly, as part of a full design support package. Now, if you were working with a product such as an AV mount or a rubber boot or a rubber gaiter, where the expectations are well known, how the product is likely to perform is very well understood. If you were to send us a set of parameters and details of the space within which that product had to work, we can then produce a final design for you, and as part of that package we would carry out FEA on the product to ensure that the design is proven before it goes to manufacture. And the final way in which you can use FEA with rubber products is as a failure analysis tool. And that means if you have an existing product in service and you're not happy with its performance or it's outright failing, then you can still send the design for us for analysis, and the results will enable you to reverse engineer any design changes that you want to make to ensure that future batches can be adjusted or redesigned for performance that will live up to your expectations. If you'd like to know more about FEA and how you could use it with your rubber product designs, how it works and how it might help you, then head on over to our blog. That's martins-rubber/what-is-non-linear-FEA/. I know that's a bit of a tongue twister, so I'll post the details of the link in the comment below the video. I hope that was helpful.